Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nana Ama Akumah. Today at my kitchen, I'm going to show you a simple way of making vegetable chicken. So guys, this special vegetable chicken, it's my special recipe. I don't share it with anyone, but I'm going to share with you guys today. It's very healthy. It contains just less ingredients. Very simple. It's for the kids. It's for everyone. Even your 6-month-old baby can have it. Can you imagine? Stay tuned. I'll be right back. So guys, we have 4 pieces of boneless chicken, mixed vegetables, 1 medium onion, my Veggies for seasoning, all peppers, rosemary, my chicken Maggi cube, olive oil, and oyster sauce. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use for my vegetable chicken today. So step 1, I'm going to dice the boneless chicken and my onion. Now I'm going to dice my onion, but I'm going to change my chopping board. I don't have to use the same chopping board for the chicken and the vegetable. There we go. Step 2, I'm going to add all the seasoning into the chicken so that I can mix up everything. So first I'm going to add my chicken Maggi cube. I'm going to divide it into 2. I don't need to use everything. I'm going to add ½ teaspoon of all peppers, ½ teaspoon of rosemary leaves, and ½ teaspoon of the Veggies. The Veggies is going to give it a salty taste, so I don't need to add any salt to it. At this point, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the oyster sauce, as you can see. Then you mix it. And what makes my vegetable chicken special is that the diced onion, I'm going to add some to it. Then we put it aside for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to put my chicken aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we can start with our cooking. So guys, we have marinated our chicken for 5 good minutes. Now it's time for step 3. Drum roll! Let's start cooking. There we go. So in step 3, I'm going to add a little bit of the olive oil. Just a little bit. Yes. So after putting the oil, you just have to put your chicken. I'm going to add a little bit of water, then I'll put it inside. There we go. So whilst it's cooking, I'm going to add the onion to it. At this point, I'm going to add my last ingredient, the mixed veggies. So you can add any vegetable of your own choice. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. Whatever vegetable you prefer, you can still use it. And it will still taste the same. So you see? We are done. We're just going to leave it on fire for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we just turn off the heat. And our vegetable chicken, it's ready. So guys, our vegetable chicken has been cooking for 5 minutes. It's ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat. You see? Very colorful. So guys, I mostly eat my vegetable chicken with flatbread or rice, or sometimes I eat it like that. But today I'm going to eat it with rice. Okay? Going to eat it with rice. Yummy, yummy rice. Yummy, yummy rice. So my final steps goes to all the mothers who are wondering what to give to their babies. My vegetable chicken can be given to a 6-month-old baby, as I told you before. So now I'm going to put some in the blender. Then I'll make it a puree for you to see it with your eyes. So you're going to add some of the vegetables, the chicken, and you blend everything together, okay? So because we have liquid and some sauce in the vegetable chicken, I didn't add any water to it, okay? So after blending it, you put it in your container. Just a quick reminder, if you are blending it and it's too thick for you, you can add water to it, okay? You can add water to it. If you think it's too thick for your child or your baby, you can add water to it. Thank you guys for watching today's simple recipe. Please try and do this at home for the kids and for yourself. It's very, very healthy and it's good for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Comment below if you have any special recipe or if you have anything you want me to do for you. Click on the like button and the notification bell. Dang, dang. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye bye you. Bye. Bye bye you. Bye.